We're surrounded by tens of thousands of birds and horseshoe crabs, which the horseshoe crabs are everywhere. As you can see, look at them all over the place. But look at all these birds. This is crazy. Look at all these birds. Look at this. These are all red knots. Some of them are red knots. And they come all the way from South America, and they're traveling to the Canadian Arctic, and they stop off in Cape May, the Delaware Bay, to eat all of the horseshoe crabs, because there's hundreds of thousands of horseshoe crabs that are laying millions and millions of eggs right now. Pretty incredible. Watch this. Look at all these birds. Look at this. Trish, these are all red knots. These are all red knots, a lot of them. And they're eating eggs. You know, we can't see them, they're really small.